Ayan, start.
100 times 50. O 100 times 150.
Grabe naman, pamala mo.
Hindi ano.
Ayun.
Oh, sige.
Oh, sino? Dali, dali.
Akin na 50. Akin na 50.
Ayun.
Go. Video mo.
Oh, para 50. 50. 50.
Ayan.
Hindi na ako mag-i-speech ha. Background music yun na lang.
Pare, international audience ka na naman ito eh. Huwag mo nang spoil.
Ikaw na.
Ayoko.
Ikaw na. Busy ka ba? Hindi. Papanoorin ka.
Ton, 50 ko to eh. Dali na dali.
Nakalagay ng ulo.
Nakakano ba ito?
Hindi ba?
Game 1.
After 20 seconds lang yan.
20 seconds lang yun, di mo kaya.
Ay, teka. Yung go.
Yup nga.
Ano yan, Tan?
What's that?
Coffee.
Coffee and
What is this?
spicy.
Spicy noodles.
Super spicy.
Okay.
What to do?
For 200, ah?
Dati ba magkano? 100 yun, di ba?
Ano yun? Buhay pa yan.
Nalang ko ito.
Mataas na rate mo ngayon,
Ano?
200 ka na.
Can I add sugar?
No.
Okay.
Yan, magic.
Sir, may show dito pang YouTube.
Pang YouTube.
Spicy noodles with coffee.
Yan.
For 200 pesos.
You shut up. I'm positive thinking here. Ayun na, 250.
Eh, maayos ang usapan. 200 lang eh. Pag 250 yan, papasamahan ko ng juice yan.
Bakit describe mo naman yung experience?
Something naman.
How does it feel ba?
Okay, so far, no? It's like having a quick breakfast, you know? You have everything in one plate. You'll really get awake here because it's spicy and coffee for cafe. It will give you that jolt, you know? Putol naman.
Ah!
30 seconds na. Ano ba? Pag hindi na-over?
Pag di na ubos, soli bayad. Soli. Soli.
I can finish this.
Mga pamasahe ko rin yung pre, pang-taxi rin niya.
This is for the children of Africa who
Donation.
cannot eat. Don't try this at home, please. But you can try it in the office just like me.
For 200.
Hey, you haven't wasted any office resources. Diba?
It's break time, it's okay. Hi, boss.
Boss kaway.
YouTube yan!
YouTube to, sir. Pang YouTube to.
Malabo eh. Ay, napuputol pala tayo.
Oh!
Napuputol pare.
Di ba? Alas ka lang. Alas ka lang.
Ito na lang gamitin natin. Malabo eh. Putol-putol yan.
Ito na lang,
It's very spicy, you know, the spiciness caught up with the coffeeness. Well, I cannot, this is not a bowl, I'm sorry. So I'll have to do this slowly.
Opening yung ano niya.
It's very hot.
Hot coffee and hot noodles.
Yeah, boy.
Parang ako yung asusok.
Napaka-extra.
Yes, because it's very hot.
Okay, palakpakan naman tayo dyan.
Meron ba?
Mayanin mo na. Practice daw yun ah.
Pakita mo ang kinita ko.
Saan ba yun?
Pangalan ng 100.
Saan ba yan?